Hello students, welcome to week 7. We are in our final week of the course. Week 7.5 of course will open up, it will overlap with this month, and this folder will open up this coming Friday, and the course ends 1 week from tomorrow, which would be Monday, the following Monday. So this week we are going to be discussing the diseases and conditions of the respiratory, urinary, and reproductive systems. Please aim to post your initial discussion post by Wednesday of each week and ensure that your main post is at least 150 words and provide at least 3 high-quality replies over 3 different days. So let's take a look at our week 7. Make sure that you work through your lecture and download and save your document for this lecture, as that serves as your textbook. So we discussed what you will need to do for the week 7 discussion. This week is going to be quite busy. You can see there are a number of things that we're going to be doing this week. I'm just going to open up this week 7 quiz. The week 7 quiz is going to be related to your lecture. It is 10 multiple choice and true-false questions. It's untimed and you have 2 attempts. Well, the highest score will be recorded, and I will post a study guide at the beginning of this week for your week 7 quiz. Next, you're going to be taking your second and final labeling quiz for the course. This quiz we'll open this up. This is 15 matching and short answer questions. It is untimed and you have 2 attempts. And once again, the highest score will be taken, so it doesn't hurt you to take it twice. And having the advantage of having it be untimed, you can open it up and then come back to it as well. I will also post a study guide in this quiz so that you can look at it. I will post that together with your final exam study guide as well. Some topics to review include the anatomy of a neuron, the location and hormones of glands, the anatomy of the digestive system, the anatomy of the upper and lower respiratory systems, the anatomy of the bladder, the male reproductive system, and the female reproductive system. Now, let us go into our final portfolio project assignment for week 7. And you will be using that portfolio project packet and continuing to put your answers into the training manual template, and you will upload that through here. Your templates are looking so good and so professional at this point. You've worked really hard over this past 6 weeks, and I thank you for your hard work and persistence. And I think once you submit this final project in week 7.5, you're going to be really proud of what you have produced. You've taken a lot of time and done a lot of research to get this done. Keep in mind that in week 7.5, when you submit your final document, you will be incorporating any recommendations or changes that I've suggested, and you will be uploading one final document, not multiples over weeks, but one final document that has your week 2 through 7 sections completed in it. And I will post another video for you showing you how to upload this final project into week 7.5, because it's going to be a little bit different as you will be uploading that into your core portfolio and attaching some of your course outcomes to that assignment. So this week you will be taking your final exam. On this exam, there are 45 multiple choice and true-false questions. It is untimed, and with this you only have 1 attempt. Because it's untimed, again, you can save it, log out, and go back into it if you need to. I want you to really take your time and go through each question. It is cumulative, so it will cover all of the topics that we have covered in this course so far. And once again, I posted a study guide for that exam in both our week 6 discussion and in the week 7 discussion. So I want you to start gathering the materials that are suggested in that study guide to help get you started. Remember, it is an open book test, so you are able to use your lecture materials to help you through these questions. That's about it for week 7. Keep in mind that our week 7.5 final folder will open up this Friday. And as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. You can text me, you can message me through this course feature, and I will get back to you. All right, I look forward to seeing everyone's discussions early this week in our week 7 discussion board. Take care, everyone.